Hi everyone, it's Chef Mark Kalix here live in Las Vegas at KBIS, the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show. I'm here to preview the 2020 appliances, what's hot, what's new, and what's fresh. Now we've got appointments with the product experts. They've made the time for us to come into their booth, and we're gonna be talking to the product specialists. They're gonna go over with us what's new, what's hot, what we need to focus on so that we can bring you the best from KBIS. I can't wait to get started. Follow me.
Any new colors or new finishes that we come out with?
So we're talking about the look, but what about the functionality?
Laundry, obviously, like you said, it's a part of everyday life.
And I think that's really a cool look. So let's take a look at that. It integrated their digital display right into the handle. I gotta tell you, my opinion, before having learned about the fact that we're at Appliance Factory's bringing it in.
It is our first ever induction range.
Barry here with Signature Kitchen Suite. We're standing next to the 2019 show winner. We're not even supposed to be talking about this, but we begged and pleaded. And look, we have a prototype.
Here, the open access door platform.
This is a wall oven that has an in-oven camera. When I open it up, you'll notice the camera is positioned here behind the glass. So
look at this, jewel knobs, beautiful lighting. For the first time ever, a digital display.
There's that luxury feel and experience.
You know, I've had apartments smaller than this. Look at this. This in Manhattan, $1,800 a month. And then there it goes. Look at that. It tells me exactly how long it's going to take.
A traditional cooking program like convection roast. And we have our traditional middle rack, and then of course the bottom rack. The other element we took on is ideal preservation.
It's been a great 2 days at the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show 2020 edition. I love that they moved the show to January. It's been a great chance to see a lot of the products before they're even available to the public. We had permission to see prototypes, and we're going to share with you appliances and technology that is not even out to the public yet. We had special permission from a lot of the manufacturers to work with the product specialists and to film them and to tape their product knowledge. And we're going to be broadcasting all of this on our YouTube channel. Of course, if you're not subscribed to Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom's YouTube channel, make sure you get over there as soon as possible, because we have product experts, we have repair specialists. I'm there with cooking tips. You know, and join the family because it's growing every day. People who are watching our videos and they're learning about what makes a great appliance, what's right for them, also cooking tips. This is Chef Mark, and thanks for tuning in.